Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should look like this. This is the theater mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and now the theater mode is enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, and also the screen will get a lot dimmer, basically to reduce the brightness by a lot. Basically you will be barely able to see anything on the screen. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again to disable it, and the icon will again go back to the white color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.